Good day, everyone. I am Frederick Salimi. Today I would like to show you how you can audit your HSE management system for your project or for your company. So there is a database here in the HSE Monitor called HSEMS Self-Assessment. Here there are certain questions of element of HSEMS. For example, if about the policy, the question is the policy existing in your company? And then the question is no written HSE policy, that means that is a major deficiency, or a policy statement exists but not widely distributed with the document, becomes a response B. And then here is established responsibilities for HSE but not widely distributed. This is response C. And the response D is fully compliance, that policy has been established and communicated to all parties in a project. So, and everyone in the project, involved in the project, vendors, contractors, they can go through this, and then they do the self-assessment and then communicate it to the company to see where are their status of their HSE management system. There is two icons here which is very important. One is this one, and the other one is this one. The first one is a view item, and the second one is activity log item. The view item is normally for the if you want to give a finding, you just click here and then copy it, and then you can give your comments or approve it, or you put your findings, and everything will be logged. And then the second one, which is this one is activity log. Then you can plan your finding and your gaps in your HSEMS. So let's see how it works. I click here, for example, in HSE policy. So the question is here there are 4 answers, and you are a vendor, and you just copy it here, and you put a vendor, and you give yourself a score C. You put your assessment is your response is C, means HSE policy is established responsible for HSE but not widely distributed, and according to the OGP, if you give the response C, your score is 6. So when you save it, you are a contractor, so you have to give here it is for example, for pre-qualification. You do the step assessment for your HSEMS, and you want to communicate it to the company, and then you say save. So when you do this, it will be logged here, and all your things for all parties of the project, contractors, company, auditors, it will be here, for example, as a vendor. Here, as you see here, there are certain responses, and the vendor gives these responses to him. And then what he does when he fills all this information, they just send a link here and send it to the responsible, to the contract department of the company. And then, as an example, myself, you can send it to me or somebody else from the project, and then when they send it, the contract department, when they click on this link, they will go directly to their self-assessment, and then they can see what they sent. So you can also here make a print of this page, or export it to Excel file and put it in the Excel file. So every part, so the vendors, any parties, they want to do self-assessment, they click on this view item and then answer, and they save it, and it will be logged. So now I just want to show you that, for example, if contract departments get these things from the vendor, they can go and they can give click on here, and they say they want to give their comments here. For example, comment is a reference to these questions to be given. So when they put here, and it is done by for example, the company or the pre-qualification, they want a reference, and it will be there, and then there is a comment log here, and then when the reference for this document shall be given, then the vendor can go here and then just copy it, and then they put their references. The references is, for example, document number so and so. So by this way, and then everything will be logged, and it is in the system, and then everybody can communicate with each other. If there is deficiencies here, for example, here it was score 3. Now to go to score 4, the vendor can assign, for example, certain activities, for example, HSE training or writing the procedure, etc. They can save it and put it in the system, and this will be in the system, or also giving a task number to this and allocate the responsibilities and the due date for anybody. All these tasks and activities can be logged here in the task item, and the people involved can get and close this action. So this is the way that you do the self-assessment. There is a user guide here, and if you click on HSEMS, there is a guideline, how to do the audit, or what is the HSEMS, what is the expectation. And if you want to use the HSE Monitor for your project for assessment of HSEMS, you just click on request and invitation, put your name, email, and the reason why you want to join to use HSE Monitor. Then a dedicated account will be for you created, and then you can for improvement of your implementation of your HSE Management System. I hope you enjoyed this training, and I hope to have a WebEx meeting with you later to discuss further about how we implement HSEMS in a project or for a company. Thank you very much, and bye now.